Greetings. Got two of my favorite brands in front of us right now. One is Casio with this wonderful G-Shock GW5610. The other is a Seiko I'm about to unbox, and this is a really cool series, the Essential series from Seiko. This is a dressier watch. This is the SUR373. Let's get started. Getting right to the unboxing here, and there it is, that wonderful sundial gradient blue Seiko dressier watch. This is a titanium 40mm watch that's got a sapphire crystal, getting some of that dust off of there from the box. And what a gorgeous first impression. You see, it's a very formal, classy looking watch, date only, and this is all titanium, folks. Titanium case, you have a titanium bracelet, solid link, and an unsigned crown, but this is the Essential series, and what this is giving you is some of the essential things that I want in a watch. One is, of course, having a wonderful material such as titanium. The other one is the sapphire crystal, and there's our bracelet. It is signed. You got a locking buckle system. More on the watch in just a second. Let's finish up our unboxing real quick, and we'll get to that watch. Do have a link adjustment tool and some call outs here. You have to go online to get the full manual. We do have a warranty card, 1 year international warranty from Seiko. Link removal tool. This is a nice touch that they give you that you can make a accurate adjustment there. We'll be using that in a second. And this is just your instructions on how to adjust your links. And that's everything that's in the box. Unboxing complete. All right, let's unbuckle this beautiful titanium bracelet and get to the watch. We've got a lot of protection on here. I got a lot of plastic. This is supposed to be a sort of a two-tone bracelet. It looks kind of like it's got a satin finish, but I think there's a bunch of plastic on here that will get everything situated in just a second to get to this watch. Got your retail hang tags, and of course plenty of packaging protection, which is important. Titanium is lightweight, durable, but it does scratch pretty easily. And I'm pleased to see that they sent this thing well protected. And there it is, pretty much everything off of there. And there's our buckle system. We have a dual lock release. And let's throw up some specs real quick. This is a titanium case, 40mm. Case thickness is 8.4mm, lug to lug 47. Sapphire crystal, as we mentioned, water resistance of 100 meters, solid link titanium bracelet, and this thing weighs just 74 grams. Awesome. Let's get one more little piece of protection off of our case back and take a look. We have a solid screw-on case back that is laser etched with the Seiko logo in the middle, sapphire crystal at the top. We have water resistance call out as well as the titanium. Pretty simple, but very classy looking. And I love the fact that you have a screw-on case back and very nice dimensions on this watch. Very mild-mannered, extremely lightweight at the 74 grams or 2.6 ounces. Will be a great dress watch. Of course, business or even casual, school, work setting. A lot of different use cases. This watch would be an awesome wingman in many different scenarios. Let's get this watch set. We have a simple push-pull crown, no screw-down crown. No crown guards. Again, the protection here is going to be the use case. And the crown is pretty simple to get to. And pull it out to the first step, and you're at your date set mode. And a very responsive, clicky advance of our date. As we find the right setting, we pull out our last stop and get to our time setting mode. And a very smooth, responsive sweep, rolling it clockwise. You can see our second hand has stopped, so we're fully hackable here. I do like to leave the date wheel to the day before and then dial in the precise time, pun intended, with the timekeeping setting. And there we are. We're good. All right, let's hit the lights and do a quick Lume test and wrap this one up. And I am very impressed with the Lume. On such a dressy, classy, sleek design, you're getting excellent Lume here out of this watch. Look at that. Of course, you can't see our second hand, but you've got your hour markers and the hour and minute hands very legible. I am pleasantly surprised. Fantastic. And through the magic of YouTube, we've gone ahead and adjusted our bracelet and gotten this thing on the wrist to show you. And it is amazing. It's so light, it's so comfortable, and it is the perfect size. Very impressed with the fit, the finish, the comfort, and the quality of Seiko, man. I'm very happy. Love this watch. What do you think? So in closing, what do I think of the Essential line? I think it is a win. I love the two-tone. You've got sort of the brushing, the satin finish with some not high polish, but some polished elements. You got a stamped buckle system, but a very solid link, lightweight titanium, and it's just perfect. Dare I say, I love it, and I can't recommend it enough. I'll put links in the description. If this helped you make a decision, please choose to use those, and I really appreciate you checking out this watch with me. I can't wait to try out another one from the Essential lineup, and so happy to have another Seiko in the arsenal. Well, that's all I got for this one, folks. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.